Welcome to What If I Want to Break into Cybersecurity? You're passionate about cybersecurity but worried about the cost of higher education? Don't worry, today we're exploring the top 5 affordable universities where you can study cybersecurity without breaking the bank. First on my list is the University of Maryland Global Campus. Known for its flexibility and affordability, UMGC offers a bachelor's and master's in cybersecurity that is designed for both traditional and non-traditional students. UMGC is an excellent choice for students who need a flexible learning schedule. With competitive tuition rates and a focus on practical skills, UMGC prepares students for a variety of roles in cybersecurity. Plus, they offer many scholarships and financial aid options to help ease the financial burden. Next up is Dakota State University. Located in South Dakota, DSU offers several affordable undergraduate and graduate programs in cybersecurity, including a Bachelor of Science in Cyber Operations. Dakota State University is recognized as a National Center of Academic Excellence in Cyber Defense Education, which means you receive training that meets the highest standards. The tuition is notably low, making it a top choice for budget-conscious students. My third pick is Kennesaw State University in Georgia. It offers a Bachelor of Science in Cybersecurity that's both comprehensive and affordable. Kennesaw State University provides students with hands-on experience in cybersecurity, preparing them for real-world challenges. The university's commitment to affordability and quality education makes it an attractive option for students nationwide. Next is the University of Texas at San Antonio. UTSA is well known for its cybersecurity programs and offers a Bachelor of Business Administration in Cybersecurity. UTSA is one of the few universities to offer a cybersecurity program with a business focus, providing a unique perspective on the industry. The university offers competitive in-state tuition rates and has several financial aid opportunities for eligible students. Rounding out my list is the University of North Carolina at Charlotte. UNC Charlotte offers both undergraduate and graduate programs in cybersecurity that are highly regarded. UNC Charlotte combines a strong technical curriculum with affordable tuition, making it an excellent choice for those pursuing a career in cybersecurity. The university's connections to the industry provide students with valuable internship and job placement opportunities. And there you have it, the top 5 affordable universities to study cybersecurity. Each of these schools offers quality education at a price that won't break the bank. Remember to research each program thoroughly to find the best fit for your career goals and financial situation. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which university you are most interested in, or if you have any question about studying cybersecurity.